Good morning, everybody. Thank you so very much for taking the time to watch this quick little video. I just want to tell each of you, great job this school year. I cannot believe that we are already finishing up this year. So congratulations on finishing first grade and moving on into second grade here in the next couple months. So before we kind of finish up the year, I just wanted to give you guys a few quick reminders. Please remember that the last day of school is May 22nd. You're going to want to make sure all of your progress, all of your attendance, everything is up to date and completed by 3 p.m. on May 22nd. I will then pull the reports and I will begin working on progress reports and get those emailed to you the following week. Please know that all registration documents need to be submitted by that day just to ensure that they do not remove you from the system. Students that do not have the current up-to-date registration status and paperwork could have that accidentally removed, and you guys would have to restart that process of re-registration all over again. So I've seen that happen in the past, that the last day of school, everything kind of just shuts down. So if you are re-registering, get that submitted, get your paperwork in so that that doesn't happen. Students that are not returning, we are so sorry to see you guys go this year. Please know that if you are not returning, that you will not have access to the online school after that May 22nd date. So please just, like I said, make sure everything is submitted by that day. Through this summer, you will still, if you are returning, still have access to Raz Kids for most of the summer. At some point, they will shut it down and take out the students and load the new students in for next year. But you will have the Raz Kids account for the majority of the summer if you are returning. So what I would recommend is utilizing this as frequently as possible just to continue to build on those reading skills. Remember that you can go into the reading room and you can select all of the stories that you have available to you within that reading level. If you want to choose different levels at the top or different stories, you can do that here. You can click on the leveled books if you want to challenge yourself. You can read any of these levels that you see listed at the top of your screen. You can just simply click on them and then the stories will appear within that level. Please, boys and girls, again, make sure you are utilizing this resource, okay? It's a great resource. We want to make sure that you are reading and getting that fluency practice each day. Remember, students at first grade level, we're reading at the end of first grade about 47 words a minute. Beginning of second grade is about 52 words a minute. So keep on practicing. Make sure you're also practicing your math facts in this attachment. With this email, I did also attach some math time tests that you guys can work on. So please make sure that you're using those this summer. There are some other great resources in this email as well that I hope you will find valuable this summer. So I hope that you won't have to say to your mom or your dad or your learning coach that you are bored, because I have sent over several great things for you to work on this summer, okay? All right, well, again, make sure everything is updated by May 22nd. You guys have done a phenomenal job this school year. I am so very proud of you, and I hope that you have a wonderful summer. Thank you so very much. Have a great day, everybody.